Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going inside the pyramid of Giza. If you've not seen my previous video, go check my previous video. We've toured around the pyramid, but in this video we're going inside the pyramid to see, yes, the king's tomb and chamber, and also the remnants of the king. It is real. So to get access into this pyramid, yes, you can actually visit inside the pyramid. You just need to pay $6 and you'll be given a ticket. So right now I'm walking towards the entrance of the pyramid and you would see everything from there. A lot of people are actually going towards my direction right now to see all this historical piece. So let's go together. So this is the entrance of the pyramid. It's trickish and it's very tiring. It's rigorous. First of all, you come in and now you have to bending down to gain access inside. Can you see? You have to bend all the way. If I'm not mistaken, these steps, when I counted them, were up to 70 steps. 70. Just keep going that way. It's easier for the boy because it's a small boy, but for adults you have to bend like that. The way I'm bending right now, you have to bend 70 steps, if not more than that. Then also you have some places you can walk straight like this. Then there's a lock chamber here. I'm coming back to show you something. Then to proceed the same way, you have to bend down, moving upward. The steps were more than the steps coming in. I don't know, I lost count. So there are lights in some places, while some places the fluorescent on the floor is burnt, and this is what you see when you get inside the pyramid. This is it, the open room, and that is the tomb over there. I'm going to show you guys the tomb and the remnant piece in the tomb. It's real, guys, it's real, but is it worth your $6? So coming closer to the tomb, this is the tomb and people are taking pictures. But to my surprise, guys, I'm going to slow down and show you guys something. There is nothing inside the tomb. So please guys, I don't know, except if you just want to experience this, I don't think it's worth it paying $6 to see this. The best you can do is to visit the National Museum. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and repost, share with friends. Bye.